A warm welcome to the Adelboden-Blaussee Barn HO Model Railway. My name is Derek. Thank you for your visit and a Happy New Year to you. Hope you are all well and managing to avoid the horrible viruses going around just now. Ever wondered how model trains could load and unload cargo? Just like the real deal. What if your model railway could automatically detect your wagons, trigger material handling, track and even randomise the goods? Get ready to see some ideas for the future of model railway automation, where your freight operations come closer to life. Moving goods from A to B puts your railway to work, adds lots of interest and challenge to operator. So let's get started. You can see the source, destination and repeater accessories. If I click the destination, it logs this job in the matrix. By moving the coal train into the source siding, you will notice on the matrix how the source symbol updates when it arrives. The source symbol on the matrix indicates when the wagon is ready for loading and later when the wagon is ready to depart. You can see here my updated and expanded matrix. In my video ABB9, Can TrainController Generate Random Waybills and Goods Loads? It explains the basic operation of the matrix and also how the random order generator works. goods locations with auto-identification of wagons. This is important for TrainController so it can track where everything is and organise for the appropriate loading and unloading as required. How TrainController monitors when the correct wagon arrives in the source block. The matrix has a source advanced accessory you can see here. If we click on it in edit mode, we can access the arrival stage 3 for the trigger. Using the combo option for the reserved block, you can see only the arrival of the gas wagon enables things to progress to the next stage. Single-use wagons are so helpful for TrainController to track what goods are where on the layout. You can see here the matrix with no orders placed. This is the starting point for the exercise. First, a waybill is created and logged onto the matrix. You can see the TrainController symbol to record this. Then a wagon is sourced and moved to the source siding. Now the wagon is loaded and TrainController symbol is changed to log this. Cranes can be triggered at this point. Now the symbol changes to indicate the wagon is loaded and ready to go. Next, the symbol changes to indicate the wagon is in transit and has departed from the source siding. Next, the icon is changed to indicate it has arrived at the destination siding, and this is followed by a symbol indicating it is being unloaded. Then, when this is complete, the symbol changes again. And finally, the order is complete with a tick sign, and after a delay the order is removed from the matrix. Regarding the advanced accessories used, I was going to explain a little more about those. First of all, I'll go into edit mode. Right, that's us in edit mode. It's the source advanced accessory. If I open this up and go to the template, it's very important that the different switches are set to the same grid size. Failure to do that results in all sorts of daft things happening. That's been my experience, and if I go into this accessory, you can see all the different states for the switch, okay? And instead of showing you the operations and trigger and condition for each state, I've prepared a spreadsheet which you can see in a moment, that's got all the settings in for you. The other thing I wanted to show you is this is the destination advanced accessory, and it works on a similar principle. And over here, this is a repeater of the advanced accessory. It basically just reacts to the setting in the memory for this goods. By means of an example, if you look at the spreadsheet destination advanced accessory, going down on the left to stage 5, and the purpose is to indicate the wagon has been empty. The next column, the operation, that consists of a delay of 10 seconds in this case, deliberately shortened to keep the length of the video down, plus it has a random delay of up to 5 seconds, and the variable is set to 9. This stage is triggered in the next column when the variable equals 8, and the condition on the next column is the wagon must be in the current block. I will attempt to demonstrate a gas delivery. First of all, on the matrix, this is the source block and that is the destination. This is a repeater advanced accessory. The delivery accessory is here with the gas symbol. Underneath it is the reset push button. If you stop the sequence of delivery, it's important that you reset the advanced accessories back to the deactivated position. That's what you need that for. So we'll go ahead and create an order just now, and you can see it has gone onto the matrix here. Next, I'll move the gas wagon with loco to the source siding. If you watch the source accessory here, you'll see the wagon has arrived, and after a timer it will start to load. There, it's away loading. Now the wagon is full and ready for departure. So if we move it out of the source siding, it will depart in a moment. After it has left the source siding, the source advanced accessory will change to another symbol to indicate it's in transit. There we are, we're in transit. Now I'll move the train from the to the destination block. Just hold on. Here we are. Now the route's set and it will depart. The destination advanced accessory with a G in it just now will change as the order progresses. Next step is when the wagon arrives in the siding. Here we are, we've arrived. The timings have been shortened to limit the length of this video. Now unloading has commenced. The repeater in the matrix seems to lag behind. Don't ask me why. Now you can see the destination is empty, so we can move the train away and the system has acknowledged that the order is now complete.